I eat breakfast every morning. I ate breakfast this morning. I will eat breakfast tomorrow morning. I drink coffee every morning. I drank coffee this morning. I will drink coffee tomorrow morning. I go to the gym every day. I went to the gym yesterday. I will go to the gym tomorrow. I run in the park every evening. I ran in the park yesterday evening. I will run in the park this evening. I see the sunrise every morning. I saw the sunrise this morning. I will see the sunrise tomorrow morning. I watch a movie every weekend. I watched a movie last weekend. I will watch a movie this weekend. I walk my dog every afternoon. I walked my dog yesterday afternoon. I will walk my dog this afternoon. I work at a hospital. I worked at a hospital yesterday. I will work at a hospital tomorrow. I study English. I studied English yesterday. I will study English tomorrow. I read a book before bedtime. I read a book before bedtime yesterday. I will read a book before bedtime tonight. I cook dinner. I cooked dinner yesterday. I will cook dinner tonight. I drive to work. I drove to work yesterday. I will drive to work tomorrow. I clean my room every Sunday. I cleaned my room last Sunday. I will clean my room this Sunday. I sleep 8 hours every night. I slept 8 hours last night. I will sleep 8 hours tonight. I write in my journal before bed. I wrote in my journal before bed last night. I will write in my journal before bed tonight. I buy groceries every Saturday. I bought groceries last Saturday. I will buy groceries this Saturday. I swim in the pool every afternoon. I swam in the pool yesterday afternoon. I will swim in the pool this afternoon. I cry when I watch sad movies. I cried when I watched a sad movie yesterday. I will cry when I watch a sad movie tomorrow. I sit at my desk. I sat at my desk yesterday. I will sit at my desk tomorrow. I stand when the teacher enters the room. I stood when the teacher entered the room yesterday. I will stand when the teacher enters the room tomorrow. I meet my friend at the coffee shop. I met my friend at the coffee shop yesterday. I will meet my friend at the coffee shop tomorrow. I find interesting things at the flea market. I found an interesting thing at the flea market yesterday. I will find something interesting at the flea market tomorrow. I repair bicycles in my spare time. I repaired a bicycle yesterday. I will repair another bicycle tomorrow. I wash my car every weekend. I washed my car last weekend. I will wash my car this weekend. I open the store every morning. I opened the store this morning. I will open the store tomorrow morning. I close the store every night. I closed the store last night. I will close the store tonight.